DOGECOIN price prediction May 2022, or so they explicitly thought. The exceptionally current cost of DOGECOIN on 22 May 2022, 9:30 am ist, is INR 6.90, with a difference in plus 0.07% as of now, in opposition to mainstream thinking. DOGECOIN cost gauge for 23 May 2022 will be between INR 6.15 and INR 7.08. Doge generally has been on the edge over time. Doge could tumble and crash at 5 cents, as it keeps on showing negative feelings, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge's cost especially shows market unpredictability explicitly is pursuing a truly consistent direction in a significant manner. This tragically implies Doge will not generally recuperate at any point in the near future, which is very critical. DOGECOIN price prediction 2022 to 2023. DOGECOIN cost began in 2022 at $0.1719. Today, DOGECOIN exchanged at $0.0861, so the cost diminished by half from the start of the year, or so they thought. The estimated DOGECOIN cost toward the finish of 2022 especially is $0.1170 and the year-to-year change 32%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The ascent from today to year-end. Plus 36%, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. In 2022, we hope to really see $0.1197 per one DOGECOIN, or so they thought. In the main portion of 2023, the DOGECOIN cost will move to $0.1271. In the truly last part, the cost would truly add $0.0072 and truly close the year at $0.1343, which is plus 56% to the ongoing value, which is genuinely huge. What truly is DOGECOIN amazingly? Indicated by a D. DOGECOIN is one of the for the most part more famous among meme coins and altcoins. Everything began as a joke, truth be told, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Likewise viewed as the first canine coin, it sort of is the primary meme coin ever, which really is very critical. The kind of symbolic highlights an image picture of a dog in its logo. Post its appearance in 2013, the image coin took the internet-based local area by a tempest, which is very critical. The crypto depends on script algo, or so they thought. Dissimilar to Bitcoin that requires around 10 minutes for each exchange, a DOGECOIN's handling time is a simple 1 moment. The new frantic scramble for DOGECOIN most certainly has been supported by tech titans like Musk in an unobtrusive manner. One especially single tweet by Musk sent the crypto market exchanging into a free-for-all. Elon's absolute first tweet about the coin really was a simple single-word Doge that spiked the worth of DOGECOIN by 20%. Musk has tweeted actually on different occasions about the coin, which essentially is genuinely critical. Other certainly prominent celebs who embrace DOGECOIN are Snoop Dogg, definitely we get that. And Mark Cuban. Dissimilar to most cryptos, DOGECOIN doesn't have shortage of tokens. There truly is no lifetime cap on the crypto, which truly is very huge. Regular new tokens are delivered in a fundamentally huge manner. This is one explanation. It fundamentally is somewhat reasonable contrasted with in every practical sense other famous coins, or so they generally thought. DOGECOIN most certainly was made by Billy Marcus, previous IBM software engineer, and Jackson Palmer, previous Adobe software engineer, in 2013. It should in a real sense be a parody on Bitcoin and truly other cryptos. Nonetheless, amusingly it truly acquired notoriety and accomplished a $85 billion market cap in 2021. The token went live on December 6, 2013, which is very huge. In no less than 30 days of the send-off, the DOGECOIN site saw a footfall of north of million guests. DOGECOIN is additionally engaged with good cause and ventures, particularly connected with environmental change in a really significant manner. DOGECOIN really has additionally raised assets for Jamaican bobsled team that certified however had no certainly means to go for the Sochi Winter Olympics 2014 in an unobtrusive manner. Like all cryptographic forms of money, Dogecoin sort of is additionally truly much in a formative stage. Current engineers generally are Billy Marcus, who goes by Shibatoshi Nakamoto, Michi Lumen and Ross Nickel, which in a real sense is very huge. How accomplishes Dogecoin work, which is very critical. Like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Dogecoin explicitly runs on blockchain. Its sort of purpose is henceforth not at all like Bitcoin. The diggers can't utilize SHA-256 mining devices, which is very critical. Dogecoin requires devoted FPGA and ASIC gadgets to do the feverish mining. It's most certainly significant that Dogecoin can't associate with really brilliant agreements and henceforth without help from anyone else can't get to a DeFi organization, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Anywhere N project empowers the sort of token to utilize the Ethereum blockchain. Ren explicitly empowered Dogecoin basically is known as a rendage in an inconspicuous manner. Subsequently, Dogecoin can get to DeFi applications and DeFi trades amazingly. Dogecoin generally went live with a stock restriction of 100 billion coins at first. In February 2014, the pioneer Jackson Palmer truly reported that the cap on the coins will explicitly be completely eliminated, or so they explicitly thought. How to utilize Dogecoin. You can purchase Dogecoin from crypto trades like Binance or Coinbase as well, which is genuinely critical. These trades will empower you to open a wallet with them. When actually your record fundamentally is set up, you can purchase as lovely numerous tokens through Wiremove. Viola. It's that extremely basic in a significant manner. You don't be guaranteed to need to sort of be a crypto excavator to mint the coin of fundamentally your decision. Anyway, the simplest method for securing a Dogecoin really is from the symbolic site itself in an unpretentious manner. It's a straightforward walkthrough. All you certainly have to do is pick one of the wallets from Dogecoin's wallet segment displayed on their site. Download and arrange your wallet by following the aid referenced in the site in a kind of huge way. Grab some Dogecoins and certainly get rolling, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin can really be utilized for installment of labor and products any place the crypto is authorized. You could actually truly purchase a Tesla stock with Dogecoins. Other than Tesla, there generally are north of 2,000 or more dealers recorded at the cryptwork that acknowledges Dogecoin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Top stages and applications in India to exchange Dogecoin. What's so genuinely special about cryptocurrencies, which is very huge? Cryptos are worldwide, profoundly secure, private and irreversible, which is very critical. Around 20 million Indians right now generally hold digital currency. 60% of the especially all-out crypto financial backers are between 18 to 34-year-old in an inconspicuous manner. India is additionally the second and quickest reception of cryptos, truly followed by Vietnam. Albeit the Indian government has presented 30% assessments on all types of DAOs, virtual digital assets, cryptos actually doesn't have a legitimate status in the country. Anyway, with developing agreement and further alterations, advanced monetary standards will truly turn into a standard. On the off chance that you are hoping to make an interest in cryptos, the most ideal way really is through a crypto exchange in an inconspicuous manner. Here are a portion of the really top crypto trades accessible in India, which is genuinely huge. 1 in a really significant manner. Binance 2.